Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip, and I've got such a cute little thing here to show you today. This is not one of my fire-breathing dragons. This is just a fun little overgrown go-kart, basically. This is a 1937 Jaguar reproduction. And before we go any further, I know there's all kinds of fiberglass bodies out there and all that kind of stuff, and most of them are pretty cheesy, to be honest about it. But this one here is actually a factory-built unit. I'll show you the tag on the dashboard in just a couple of minutes here. It was custom ordered by a lady, and it was built specifically for her. And they've got a little plaque on the dashboard to let her brag, I guess, a little bit about it. Such a cute little thing. Obviously, it's an Arizona plate on it. Not sure where it came from originally, but that's where I got it. And it is just as clean as you can get. And there's a lot of really cool stuff here. So the little top does come off. And honestly, I am 6 foot tall, close enough anyways, and don't know if I'd be able to get in it with the top on. So whenever I drive it, I just put it back down here, and these little snaps will hook onto those snaps down there so that it doesn't flutter in the breeze on you. And then, because I'm so tall, I gotta kind of like get in it and then put my legs down inside there, but there is a lot of leg space. So once I get in it, have no issues at all. All of the gauges are functional on this thing, every single one of them, including the clock. My gosh. The speedometer, it says kilometers on it. I'm sure that's just a reproduction for the image of the Jaguar being all. When I went through a construction zone, going on the big numbers here, it was about 7 miles an hour fast. So this has even got the little adjustable windscreens here. You can drop this windshield down if you want to, have that on there. It does have wiper blades on it, and it's got mirrors everywhere. There's a mirror there, there's a mirror there, there's a mirror there. So visibility on it is actually really good. Such a cute little thing. And under the hood, it is powered by the little Ford 4-cylinder motor. And don't know if you'll be able to pick that up or not, but it's a 2.3 liter. And the guy, look at the shape, look at the condition. He just had that motor completely rebuilt. He had the transmission service. He has all kinds of stuff. This thing, I tell you, it purrs like a little kitten, as you can tell right here. Clean, clean. Look how clean this is. Brakes, rack and pinion steering. Mustang 2, I would assume, is what it looks like. I just love this guy. This is such a fun little thing to drive. Headlights functional. All the lights are working on it. There's your Mustang 2 front suspension down there. And of course, it's on a custom-built frame. I do have the little wind thing, that side panels, I guess you'd call them, that snap onto there. They're in the trunk. Don't know if they're in the best of condition. So it was built by Classic Coach in Mentor, California, for some lady named Margaret Kale, apparently. And such a cutie pie. So does actually have a spare tire right here. There's your fuel tank right there. Spare tire comes off of that right there. And then, believe it or not, it's even a little trunk, so it looks to me like the battery lives in there. There's your side vent windows. You could put a small overnight bag in there, I guess, something like that, which is about all you'd probably do anyway, because don't think this is a long distance type of vehicle. Snaps that up there, and that stays there just fine. Little little wire wheel covers on it. Such a cutie pie. It's carrying a Arizona assigned VIN number And of course I have a clear title in my hands. Such a cute little toy. This is a 1937 Jaguar Replica, fiberglass body on a custom frame. Just such a cute little thing, fun to drive. I tell you what, all you get is people smiling and thumbs up. You can't help but have a smile on your face when you drive that little thing. If you just are looking for a cute little inexpensive little toy to drive around town, there it is right there, kids. And I'm Dave at HD Trucks and Equip. My phone number is 602-510-5444. And once again, as always, thank you very much for looking.